Hello, welcome to Unicycle.com videos. Today we're going to show you how to change the bearings. So, you probably recognise this, my old 29-inch hatchet. I use it and the bearings are definitely knackered. I will show you that, but to begin with, let's get started. So the first thing is we've got to take the frame off. Dead simple. We've shown you how to do this before. It's in the assembly video. You get your Allen key and you just loosen off the bearing. Oops, that was tightening it. So let's loosen off the bearings. We'll come back when I've done that. Okay, frame is off. So let me, lovely example. These are definitely knackered, and just to prove it, ooh, that one makes even more noise. Now it runs all right, but it actually, and I don't know if you can see that, you can actually see the movement in the bearing. Definitely knackered. So next thing is, let's take the bearing off. To do that, we use one of these. This is a bearing puller. This is one that we sell, so this is a Nimbus bearing puller. They work extremely well for these bearings. These will actually pull either the cottless bearings or the ISIS bearings. You can just go and get a three-legged bearing puller, but they don't work as well as this. So let me show you this. So you wind it out so it fits on, put it back on again. So sort of a little bit like the when we took the cranks off, which you can look at the previous video about. So whoop, I may just drop that. You use one of the pedal spanners to actually pull the bearings off. And as you see, this one winds off nice and easily. They don't always. These can be very, very tight. So that was nicely done. That came off okay. We're now going to get the replacement bearing. So here's our, and you can see nice and packed with grease. No sound, no movement. Place the bearing on. Next, we're going to get, well, this is just a tube with a cap on it, but you can just use a piece of seat post or something that will just slip over here. If you are getting yourself a tube to fit on, make sure you're hitting the middle part of the bearing. You're not hitting the outside. So we put it on, we get our hammer, put it on something nice and solid. Let that go home. There we are. Nice and solid. One bearing replaced. Okay, we're now ready to put it back in the frame. And I'll be out this evening, out on the moors, getting these nice and dirty. So anyway, thank you for watching the video. Do like the video, subscribe to the channel, do all the normal YouTube stuff. Thank you very much for watching. See you at the next one.